23.
Peace YouTube, who is Sugar, back with another video, baby. And today I'm going to show you all how I keep my little ones' clothing organized. Now their room has 2 closets. In the first closet, what's this? Anyway, here is the first closet. As I mentioned in my laundry room video, I have this closet system in here and I absolutely swear by it. It is easy to slap on the wall and you can configure this thing in so many different ways. Now let me step back so that you can see what's going on here. And there's a wall here, so that's why this angle is a little strange. Now the dresser that is in the closet belonged to the old bedroom set that was in here. I didn't change it out because it's working just fine. And I prefer to have the dressers in the closet because it frees up some of the space in the room. Now I picked up this dresser from Target, gosh, what, 6-7 years ago? But I'll show you how I have it organized in just a moment. But let's start at the top here. So we have lots of shoe boxes. I know they have an obscene amount of shoes. This is just a box of random things. So this is the knob that goes on the dresser. These are the sticker decals that are on the wall. There's some manuals in here. It's just a bunch of random stuff in here. More shoe boxes, baby wipes, some summer shoes that I've been meaning to put in one of the boxes up here. And as I've stated before, I love space bags because you put everything in there, you suck out all the air and it frees up a lot of space and it just makes it so much easier to store. So what I do is I put all of their summer things or things that are too big for the miniest boo in here. Now here is the shelving system that I used. Previously, it was just a single bar that was going across. If I have a picture, I will insert it here in this video, but that single bar was not working for me. So I picked up this closet system. I love it. It is so easy to install. You can configure it so many different ways and I just love it. It just makes it so much easier to keep things organized. On the top rack here, I have all of her coats, we have dresses, and I have the single shirts here on the hanger. I prefer to hang the shirts like this on the hanger because these hangers, although they're for children, they're still a little big and it's just too much work to have to feed it underneath the shirt and without stretching out the neck hole here. So I just fold it and stick it on the hanger like so. All right, if we move over here, we have some of her shoes that are on the shelf. Now these shoes right here used to belong to Minnie Boo. Aren't they cute? All right, moving on down the shelf. I have denim here and I find that stacking the denim makes it easier for me to see what we have versus if I hang it up. Sometimes things get lost up here, so stacking it makes it so much easier. I also fold up sweaters because I don't like to put them on the hanger because sometimes you'll get the little darts and things on the sleeve. Now moving on to the very last shelf here, I have all of the outfit sets grouped together here on the hanger. And the reason why I do this is because I'll say, hey, what do you want to wear today? And she can look up here and decide what she wants to wear instead of me just saying, okay, look, you wearing this right here. And for some reason, like lately, she has not been feeling this at all. So it's just easier to present her with her options and let her pick what she wants to wear for the day. Now on top of the dresser, we just have some hats and some mittens. If we open up the drawers, I'm currently washing clothes, but this side is Minnie Boo's side, so I keep all of her things inside of these little plastic containers. I picked these up from, I believe it was TJ Maxx, and it just helps to keep things organized. Here we have socks and leggings. Down here we have all of the sleepers. I like to stack my sleepers like this because it just makes it easier to, one, see how many clean ones we have, and it just makes it easier to grab. Whereas if I stack it the other way, if she doesn't want to wear something, she'll end up messing up the entire drawer trying to find what she wants to wear. So doing it this way just makes it easier for us. Now, this is the Miniest Boo side. I know what you're thinking, but Suge, why does she have so many pairs of socks? And honestly, I do not know, but I'm going to go through some of these socks and donate half of them because honestly, she doesn't need this many. The second drawer houses diapers. I know what else you're thinking, but Suge, I thought you was about that cloth diapering ministry, and I was, but this is where we are right now because we're about to start transitioning into potty training. And the last drawer has the sleepers as well, and I stack them this way again so I can see how many clean sleepers I have, and it just makes it easier to grab what I need. Ma'am. Now on the side of the dresser, I have some floaters for the pool that has been closed this year. On the other side of the dresser, I just have a bag here that I put all of the clothes that they no longer fit or if we're going to donate. So I'll just drop them in this bag, and once it's full, I'll donate or give them away. All right, so that is the first closet. And if we move around here is the second closet. So this is Mini Boo's closet. Again, I have the same closet system here that can be configured 100 different ways. Now let's start at the top. These are all the empty shoe boxes. I know they have lots of shoes. I know. Here we have some games, and what I like to do is I'll rotate the games because sometimes they'll get bored with them, and instead of having all the games just out and about, I will rotate them. And the Play-Doh that I have to keep out of the way because I just can't leave this out because I don't trust them. Now, moving on down the closet, I have some spare hangers. And I like these clips here for the hangers, but I use these more in the summertime when I'm hanging shorts or skirts. Now on this shelf, we have a random pair of sneakers. We have some hats and some gloves. If we move on down, we have some shoes and some more shoes. If we move over here, I have all of the jackets and things stored up here, and down below I have all of the dresses. As I stated before, I fold up all of the sweaters and sweatshirts because I don't like it when the hanger gets the little darts. Sometimes you get little darts right here on the shoulders, and I don't like that. So to prevent that, I just fold it up and put it here on the shelf. As stated before, folding and stacking the jeans makes it easier to pick what you need. And I also fold and stack sweatpants, and these are some other pants here. Moving on down, we have some shirts. And all of these clothes right here are on her level so that she can look through here and decide what she wants to wear for the day and pick out whatever pants she wants to wear for the day. And lastly, down here is a box of costumes. Sometimes you just need to put a costume on and live your best life. So yeah, that is it. I am currently in the process of going through the rest of their toys. We have so much to donate. So I'm getting rid of like a basketball, goal hoop situation, a play kitchen. It's so much to do. And that is it for this closet tour. But Suge, is that what I think it is? It absolutely is. This is a big thing. Do you guys remember this from, oh gosh, it has to be the 90s, like literally the 90s. So this used to be mine, but it now lives on the door and it's missing some eyes. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you all found it helpful, and I will see you all tomorrow. Be blessed. Peace. Oh, before I go, this is the configuration of the closet setup. So the first closet is right here and the second closet is right here. But Suge, why are there two closets in a room? You know what? We asked the very same thing, but the builder decided to put two closets in there. And at first we were like, this makes no sense, but boom, Miniest Boo showed up. So now it all makes sense.